Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the BUGSPLAT crash error in Doom: The Dark Ages on your PC. First, click on your Start menu and type Device Manager. When it appears, click to open it. Next, expand the section labeled Display Adapters. Here, you'll see your integrated graphics card, usually labeled as Intel UHD or AMD Radeon Graphics. Right-click your iGPU and select Disable Device. Don't worry if your screen flickers for a second, that's normal. Disabling the iGPU helps the system fully use your dedicated GPU, which often resolves crashes caused by GPU conflicts in games like Doom: The Dark Ages. If you still get the BUGSPLAT error after this step, just go back, right-click the iGPU again, and choose Enable to restore it. And that's it. Hopefully this helped fix your crashing issue in Doom: The Dark Ages. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.